Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. This is item abstract element. The download link in the description. Just need to click the link and you can easily download from my website GFX. And here this is atom networks and C4D and examples and networks and particles. You can see particles. These are JPG images. Actually, these are stars in zoom. My dark theme is difficult for you to see because it's dark theme. And here these are PSD files. So this is background is moved and this is an atom and particle, not atom. And here is assemblage networks. You can see the atom. The previous one is and here it is C4D and examples for number 1. You can see that these are in PSD formatted of Photoshop and wait for it to be open. Yes, atomic graphic abstract design element. You can see so on. Again, these are 10 PSD files. These are lines, networks and particle. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.